In this episode, we'll dive into the latest Mako boats for your fishing adventures. These are some of the best inshore and offshore boats you can find in the market, so we'll check out their most essential features along with their current asking prices. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video for our top pick. Since 1967, Mako boats quickly gained a reputation for their durable, innovative designs built for saltwater fishing. This can be traced to its founder Robert Schewbke, who began the development of Mako boats by building boats for his friends, capable of accommodating the needs of everyman. Now as part of the White River Marine Group, or WMRG, the world's largest boat builder by sheer volume, Mako boats continue to command the respect of saltwater anglers. Available for both inshore and offshore models, we'll be tackling 5 of the best Mako boats in this video. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. At number 5, we have the Pro Skiff 13cc. This Mako boat is highly recommended for starters, operating with a 25 ELPT Mercury 4-stroke engine with a maximum of 40 horsepower, spanning up to 13 feet and 6 inches or 4.11 meters in length. It has a beam that reaches up to 6 feet or 1.83 meters. It has a 6.6 gallons of fuel capacity and can hold about 4 persons, with a maximum person weight of 550 pounds or about 250 kilograms. Combined with passengers, motors, and gears, this boat can carry a load of 900 pounds or about 408 kilograms. The Pro Skiff 13cc, like all other Mako boats, is NMMA certified and factory tested for the hull, plumbing, and fitting integrity. It is painted with a classic Mako bone white gel coat, and the design prioritizes maximum fishability and storage. The interior has a raised, integrated bow fishing platform as well as a raised, closed molded aft platform. Moreover, this model features an advanced inverted V or AIV hull design for a smoother ride in choppy waters. All in all, the Pro Skiff 13cc is a great option for those who want to get their feet wet in saltwater fishing, and it costs around $18,000. At number 4, we have the most popular Mako boat, the Pro Skiff 17cc. With its 60 ELPT Mercury 4-stroke engine, this boat packs a maximum of 75 horsepower, capable of going up to 27 knots. It can carry 6 persons with a maximum person weight capacity of 1,000 pounds or around 453 kilograms. It has a fuel capacity of 6.6 gallons, and it can carry a total of 1,650 pounds or 748 kilograms, including passengers, motor, and gear weight. The Pro Skiff 17cc is a popular inshore fishing boat from Mako that comes with a raised bow deck for maximum fishability and a lockable storage compartment. The hull design provides a smooth and dry ride, offering easy handling and maneuverability. The deck and hull are sturdy, using foam-filled mechanical and chemical bonding to ensure quiet operation and excellent flotation capabilities. In addition, the console is equipped with a 5 vertical flush-mounted console rod holders for convenience, along with an integrated 8-gallon bait well, plus a single-cable, no-feedback rotary steering. It roughly costs around $27,000, and that already includes the trailer. The Pro Skiff 19cc sits comfortably at number 3. This is built to take its passengers farther with the 90EX LPT Command Thrust Mercury 4-stroke engine. Now with a maximum of 150 horsepower, this Mako boat comes with a higher fuel capacity of 30 gallons. Increasing in length by 19 feet and 4 inches and a beam of 8 feet. This boat also dips up into 9 inches in the draft, with an interior depth of 21 inches. However, it retains its 6-person capacity with a maximum person, gear, and motor capacity of 1,450 pounds or around 657 kilograms. The Pro Skiff 19cc in particular has an electronics mounting surface, 6-cylinder flush-mounted console rod holders, padded seat cushion, a 13-gallon live well, and a forward console seat insulated to act as a cooler as standard features. Optional features include a 25-gallon aerated live well and other storage for fishing equipment. It also comes with hydraulic steering with high-end multifunction gauges, giving its skipper more confidence in handling the vessel. This boat comes with a reported price tag of around $45,000 and offers great value for money in terms of its long list of features. At number 2 comes the last of the inshore picks, the Mako 18 LTS. Using its 115 ELPT Mercury 4-stroke engine with 115 horsepower, this model stands out with its rapid planing system, or RPS transom, for quicker hole shots, shallow water abilities, and better overall performance. It has an overall length of 18 feet and 6 inches, a beam of 7 feet and 7 inches, and a draft of 11 inches. It has a fuel capacity of 28 gallons and a maximum passenger capacity of 5. Overall, it can handle about 1,350 pounds or 612 kilograms, with all passengers, gear, and motor weight included. The Mako 18 LTS comes with Baystar hydraulic steering and is becoming a crowd favorite amongst inshore anglers. This boat has a shallow draft, allowing it to cruise comfortably in both flats and bays, and the build is rugged but sturdy enough to provide great handling and performance. The console has added battery and gear storage, 2 stainless steel drink holders with a drainage system, padded seat cushions, and it also has an 18-gallon bait well, among other things. This is still an affordable sport fishing option, which costs about $36,000, depending on your choice of engine and features. If you wish to see more entertaining content like this on a regular basis, please consider supporting us. Just visit the link on screen or click the link in the description box. Thank you, and let's get on with the rest of the video. Last but not the least, we picked the Mako 214cc, built and designed for your offshore fishing needs. Packing about 250 horsepower with a 91-gallon fuel capacity, this fishing boat is powered by a 150XL Mercury 4-stroke engine and can carry up to 10 people in. The boat measures 21 feet and 5 inches in length, 8 feet and 6 inches in beam, and 14 inches in draft. The maximum carrying capacity is 2,550 pounds or over 1,150 kilograms. With the Mako Deep V hull, this model prioritizes safety and comfort without compromising fishing performance and ultimately performing well on choppy waters. As an offshore model, the Mako 214cc features a stainless steel steering wheel with knob, Mercury digital gauges, and Fusion stereo with 4 speakers. For protection against the sun, it has an outrigger-ready canvas T-top with rod holders. For seating, it has a removable forward console seat with rain cooler, stern seats with a folding center backrest, and forward cushions with removable backrests, making this ideal for comfortable short trips with family and friends. This is a feature-packed offshore center console with a starting price of about $68,000 US. What do you think about our choices for the best models from Mako Boats? What features do you mainly consider when fishing offshore or inshore? And which one of these Mako boats would you like to own someday?